Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today, top story takes us to Jonglei State and Eastern Equatorial State, two parts of South Sudan telling very different tales of power, pain, and peace. In Jonglei, anger and fear rise after the South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) allegedly bombed Piri town in Uror, killing and injuring civilians. This is a very sad story. We'll talk about it. And also in Makwi, the governor of Eastern Equatorial State, Lois Lubong, apologized to a man beaten by security forces, calling for respect, unity, and peace. Stay tuned as we unfold the full story, what happened, why it matters, and what it means for South Sudan. Before we proceed with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin with the bombing in Piri, Urur County in Jonglei State. This is very shocking. A report coming from Urur County, Jonglei State, have left the community in shock. On November 10, 2025, a fierce fight broke out between forces loyal to Dr. Machar and those of General Simon Gadwidwell, though the report said that these SPLA-IO clashed with the SPLA-IO Kitgwang faction. Actually, they were not SPLA-IO Kitgwang faction. They are part of force of SPLA-IG, but many people are saying that it is between Dr. Machar and General Simon, but the supporter of Dr. Machar are saying no, it is not SPLA-IO under Dr. Machar fighting SPLA-IO under General Simon Gadwidwell, but it was SPLA-IO and some forces from the SSPDF led by SPLA-IG. Well, the clash took place in Piri town, a busy area in Urur County, known for being home to over 18,000 civilians, mostly women, children, and elderly. At first, the fight seemed to be between two rival opposition groups. The SPLA-IO, loyal to Dr. Machar, and the SPLA-IO Kitgwang group of General Gadwidwell and some of SSPDF. It is just a mix. But after a short exchange, reports say the Kitgwang forces withdraw an SSPDF from the area, leaving Dr. Machar group in control of Piri in Urur County. Hours later, residents, civilians say they saw a helicopter flying low and then came the sound of bombs. The explosion shook home, sent families running and filled the air with dust and fear. According to the report, Honorable Wany Bumakor, the member of Parliament representing person who represents Urur County in Jonglei State Legislative Assembly, he released a strong statement of condemnation. And Honorable Wany Bumakor, representative of Urur County, stated that the attack by the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, the National Army, was indiscriminate and inhuman. In his word, and I quote, he said this act of hostility by the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, against the peaceful people of Urur County and the Lone Wolf community at large is condemned in the strongest term possible. He added that At a time when the nation needs peace and dialogue, such action only make things worse. According to Honorable Weinboom, instead of fighting in the middle of civilian areas both sides, Dr. Riek Machar forces and Gadwich Kitgwang group should withdraw to safer zones. He suggests that Machar forces move to Motot, while Kitgwang forces establish their base in Ui. This, he said, would prevent further suffering and stop Piri from becoming a battlefield again. Eyewitness in Piri described the situation as terrifying. One mother reportedly said, "We were just cooking when we heard the first blast. My children ran to hide, but we didn't know where was served." Community elders say this is not the first time their people have faced airstrike. Many in lone areas believe they are being targeted unfairly simply because of who they are, civilian caught between political and military rivals. Honorable Weinboom called on the national and state government to send a peace delegation immediately. He urged leaders to put the light of our people above all political and military considerations. As of now, a report from local sources indicate at least one person killed and 2 others injured, though the real number may be higher. The SSPDF has not yet released an official statement denying or confirming the bombardment. The people of Piri, meanwhile, continue to live in fear, unsure when peace will return or when the next bomb might fall. This story from Rural County is another reminder of how fragile South Sudan peace remains. While leaders in Juba talk about unity and reconciliation, in the village, ordinary citizens pay the price of war. But the shocking truth is here. Many people are saying this is between SPLIO Kitgwang and SPLIO under Dr. Machar. But the big question that the citizens are asking, and many people from your community, is that if this fight is between Dr. Riek Machar and Simon Gadwidwal, why the government of Salva Kiir Mayardit sends SSPDF helicopter to bombard Rural County civilians? If this fight is between these two groups, why government is involving? That's why many are saying this clash is not between SPLIO and SPLA Kitgwang faction. It is between SPLIO, an element of SPLA-IG in government. Many people are condemning this act, that the government of South Sudan under Kiir Mayardit is trying very hard to sabotage the Lone Nuer area or Uror, where people were saying for many years such places government never reached there. And this is the first attempt that the government is trying to divide the Nuer community into pieces so that they cannot have one unity. And the Nuer community abroad and also at home, they are condemning this act. And they are calling all Nuer people not to divide themselves. They do not have to give any chance to the government to divide them. And because of this bombardment, the Nuer in Uror are saying that it is the same thing that happened in Nasser when Nasser people were bombed during the time when SSPDF clashed with the Nuer Wayami. They say it is the same thing which is happening there in their area. So such a situation, they are putting South Sudan into a state of that cannot allow peace to prevail. Let's look at our second top story. Governor Lobong apologized in Makwi after his security forces attack and beaten a man. In another corner of South Sudan, far from the deaths and fear of Piri, A very different story unfolded in Makwi County, Eastern Equatorial State. Governor Los Lobong Lojor stood before a crowd of residents and made a rare public apology. It all started when a young man named Godfrey was reportedly beaten by security personnel at the checkpoint. The man had complained about harassment, something he had every right to do as a citizen, but his complaint was misunderstood, treated as a security threat, and that is when things went wrong. Like we already know, all these things, such things happen always. When you try to fight for your right or complain about mistreatment, the security always, say that you are threatening their peace. When the news reached the governor, he didn't stay silent. At the peace and security rally in Makwi, Governor Lobong said clearly, on behalf of the state government, including all the organized forces here, I apologize to this gentleman and to you, the people of Makwi. I ask for your forgiveness for what has happened. His word drew applause from the crowd. Godfrey, the man who was beaten, accepted the apology. The governor said this moment marked a new beginning for trust between the community and security forces. Now we need to open a new page in Makwi County, Lobong said. We have to work together with our children, our brothers in uniform, and create a safe environment. He reminded security personnel of their role to protect, not to abuse. Criminal suspects should be handled by the police, he said firmly. Soldiers have no role in arrests. Civilians must never face torture or mistreatment because this keep on occurring every time. Lobong also condemned roadblock, random beating, and unlawful arrests that have caused tension between the army and citizens. He ordered local commanders to follow the law and help restore public trust. The governor praised the people of Makwi for hard work, especially in agriculture areas, education sector, and peace building. He described them as a pillar of progress for Eastern Equatorial State. Finally, the governor called on former SPLIO fighter and refugees to come home. He said, let's rebuild together, he said. We are one people, our aim is one, peace. This speech, though simple, carried a powerful message, one that many wish to hear from leaders across the country. In a nation struggling with mistrust between civilian and army forces, a public apology from a governor is a step toward healing. What we hear today from Pierre and Makwi, they tell us something about South Sudan. One show the pain of war, the other show the power of leadership. In Pierre, bomb fall from the sky, reminding us that peace is still fragile. In Makwi, word of apology from the heart, reminding us that reconciliation is possible. If only more leaders acted like Governor Lobong, with courage to admit mistakes, and fewer acted with violence, perhaps the people would finally sleep in peace. Channel link Raisheme, Biakamal ka Changfied YouTube channel, bana ler titi bana keling kel. Bana report shanong ke kuikur dana chituok, dorashwal ke peri, kurur bana jeling kel guaseme. Kan kono ni am goro no jin bi report me bijeling. Gorno jin be subscribe ke notification bell be to an ko mete meche break gwas be shamala shube keji report me very important there and there jeling ka tungnat ani ban jeling kel report me link kona me talk ka uror county ka Jonglei state gwad mi mo shi community shi ka ngar ka tin jekten kona shaden lahat kordana chi to kam they need Dr. Machar Kennedy need General Simon Gadwidwell. But Chakula don't know she didn't Simon Gadwidwell, by the way. They need to work, they need SPLM, SPLIG, Sharon kula mat kel ki Sharon liam ke dini Simon Gadwidwell nyok riune no wan ke ripon latke jeno kora me chi kam SPLA yu ken SPLA kidgwang faction aban je kulo ling dare the reality kiman to no biya kula ngaji no ne me kor kam Simon Gadwidwell ken dakamachar ke ripon shanon gwase me ka shanga wal ka pai wal ke ron kin daro jandang ru de dich chikorche to kam dakamachar ken de ni Jan Simon Gadwidwell chemen shalin ko ngoda bashi ke de ni ken kor mo to ga ke Periton Kurur County gwan mishala no en Peri wate ne rishop ke kina dangwal de 10,000 people te shingun wana mo ka jan town mo ke Periton wa kor ma ken yam shere mite kam SPLA yu ken la kam SPLA yu pin dakamachar ken de ni SPLA yu kidgwang faction pin General Simon Gadwidwell no chalaro shi de ni kidgwang faction chika jien chika rodin wo keria chi Dr. Riek Machar de ni ka chikan peri chikan kap ala base anwinimi ka kor tak me chika jien wa chu helicopter cho jien ka chu bere which ka chu bogan helicopter helicopter ngubo ga jamo kala ga jeno kume SPLA yu ekene kume SPLA yu kidgwang faction eken nyenyo meken nyenyo ku Simon Gadwidwell we helicopter we jengne amanyozo di an kura dana to che gula kur kam de ni General Simon Gadwidwell ken de ni SPLA yu ke de ni SPLA yu nyen tone ke de ni kirm yadit ala SPLA ji ko te ren almede ro de jej we na we ke bok mani gat we ke bok ma dong abejelong jen mo nyodo kor me te kam kirm yadit Kennedy ni Dr. Machar ba cha ko kanano ike de ni SPLA ayu under Dr. Machar Kennedy ni SPLA ayu kidgwang faction under General Simon Gadwidwell take warga misha gorgwasme Honorable Wanbum Makur jen member ka parliament mishun ka Kurur County ka Jonglei State ka Jonglei State Legislative Assembly jen she warga che gor che gor la letter of condemnation with the natin control je SSPDF ku da kadwar ka ta dana shi kan de ni SSPDF shi kan helicopter shi kan jakana lo kana kan ka bok Kurur County jela do ne jeni man chala the National Army jeni indiscriminate ka inhuman minyono jeni shi chang mogwa midela da rami mo melaran ono biyene jen karen yal biana biakobo ka jom chalat gwaseme jeni SSPDF lokan mal kan it kon lokamal ko kan it content ka Kurur County kana Lower community ka jimal ka to nakamal ngum de ko bokaje karen yalone so mi kene me chatwok shi kume kirm yadi chabok no ka jo chala da Honorable Wanbum chala da wonene ka kume SPLA yu kene kume SSPDF me ka yene tinyin shi ade nyin rak ka jo dan chalat anyok me ka yene te bongna shi ade bongni civilian de yenu bongne ne te kontila de ne chala do Dr. Machar de dara we ka dor shalke motot de kidgwang SPLA ayo kidgwang mendepenya General Simon Gadwidwell dara we ka UI chaga da ka nono ajana na mo dara kor mo dara ja kapchong ka kor dan to dor shalke Peri ka Kurur County ban mo ko la ngai gwasa me roina we report lat kon mo gwasa me ka jo chalat mo rai kon ke reality kor shi kam Dr. Machar kana Simon Gadwidwell kurje jojo gwanu we kume SPLA ji kana kume SPLA yo kume SPLA ji kan chikana gorno bikan dor Lower community bikan kadak ajen menen yana gwase dan ne daga kwar Jonglei Dr. Guy Cook jen che payam no wan che gachap kan payam to influence ko be ka erun be kula da a shanki Lower community kan wode ka rin matkel chicken bila mat janta dana gore jekeje ke report cha no ngwase me che nyu the gwan wo shi SPLAG shi ke tin kon lat ko din me dan lat ko no lo nor community dong chi ko je te chuptin barai now chi chuptin ka do bran chi SPLAG chi ken to ko ja anyok cha gu je no ter renal me dem men bogon winami no che dem to barai now chi renal che bok matinyo nor wo kene jo me mi chi to shi peri cha la win mi sha bogon tama ke report dan cha lat gwas me wa cha ram kel cha jenak kane dang ro ti la jiboni. That was the report and chala de ken ramkel mishana karne dang roti jibon chala de nonam lallo nuer community kala de no shaka target ke mityak tyang dong shine de kontila civilian chicken de shush but chakola de no mto kala nuer community more which wini mi kurur ke pieri wajen chede ke medan chito ka nasir. Honorable Wan Boom Chelado Shole National and State Government and they can peace delegation they can gajak ko shikur me chede we wonya chi de ni chicken de la bok karenyal you know ko ne ti go nokan mal nta dan china liu ke je ri madana chilon chede la lon no kon wo bina nyen no kamel le road ka ne to kokena kon gori je no ba na ba control beje long la we chunyu community kuma SPLA yo kana kuma SSPDF ngai kono no ka bondang ro de kor anyok michi na chi ga SPLA yo kana SSPDF michi ga ne kono la target kan nuare mi jago nuare kan ne den yam tala mal ya na kan ne kon la civilian changte kur mu to gwa da ba bong ne kon la civilian especially ne kon la mothers children kan ene rami mommi mi chiro de luang kan go da kon tok ten ba ok ba nek bang so ne me ejene dana chi tok pan no che mijja ka ta dan shalat kije chan right ka kwiru ma shal ke governor lobong jen che dwer che jalar gwa mi chi ne ka chi kan wut chi kan pimtin daro shal ke Equatoria ala Eastern Equatoria ban jo man jilinkel kan kon nyam please go no jin be subscribe ka notification bell je toan daro shal ka mo Eastern Equatoria tiken ka kwer mi shal governor los lobong lo jore jen te ko dol ma cha dol jen che chonku ne ka che ga jogo no lara dwer ka kwide ne ka de nin konten gang wo je la national security kana ne tin kontin anybody mi la ne kontin shiri ga me che lat ano de la dwer ne kontin chi bot chi ga je utkel mi chi complain wo jen cha ja dwech ka checkpoint mi chi complain che la do cha dwech bang an ran ko che la do yen sia de le na wa chona ko da rach but ngai kondi ni SSPDF kan national security chiga na gorno ba chonu ba jeling la margani je kel ka chonu ba ji dwaje ken so mi would make a complain no gwa mi cha dol cha jo latten she point the would shall come lo bong she apologize che dwer che jalar right now kwala do ne ne dung me dong de kwa di alde kan apologize mi chiran che rek che jala dera gwa long nyo de no de mal der haten la ran min ngaje dwer ke nyo de dwer me jala de dwer ader la jen batana chicken chak gore de ka apologize ke community lobong che jo mo che jala no che man chala ne ke che je che ka kwidwer ka kwije mo je ne choro bu nyo mo lo jarode jen ba chole ku mespelayo ano de ke lunjok dai which ke Eastern Equatoria ngai kon Eastern Equatoria chi je spelayo ayo chi goren wo jrai which cholo ko no lonya jok chana mal chana elat kel che la no tel chimal chana de non ko war chana mal chana belat ko ku mespelayo be dan kwa targene ke choren cho bare which especially de ni ken it kona lat ken right now gwe no especially you trade ka ta dan te dor ke je so shol kan no de kan bulun da which de mal de jalat ka kume kirm yadi chikana gor e ken luni jogalo just ala jira mi mo mi chi dor chi jogor wa ji na ka bet ka ji dwa ka bet ka chural no kwa do ni civilian panken ka wada barami mo la de le peleken so jo me le ro dre which will me jen gwal dana gor no de chong tinana me mi jiram jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel goran wajin bi subscribe ka vi notification bell bi jeto an ko mete mi bare gwas be chomala shubege ji ani bi ataka mal bana nyoje kale rodian bye bye.